Now the selling side, billing your customers. There is one quick setup first. Customer invoices post to an accounts receivable control account, so we map that once in company settings. Under the control accounts, we set accounts receivable to the receivables account in our chart, then save. Now we raise the invoice. We open customer invoices and create a new one, billing Northgate for some of those office chairs. The invoice number and date are filled in. We choose the customer, Northgate Retail. Under account settings, we point it at the right ledger accounts, accounts receivable for what they owe us, and the VAT payable account for the tax we collect. Then the line, 10 executive office chairs at 65,000 naira each, posting to sales revenue, with VAT added. The totals build up, 650,000 naira, plus 7.5% VAT. We create the invoice. The invoice is raised. We open it to see it, and to record a payment when the customer pays. Here is the invoice, showing the full amount as the balance the customer owes. Say they pay part of it now, we click Record Payment. We pick the bank account that received the money, enter the amount they paid, 400,000 naira, and record it. The payment is recorded, the cash is in the bank, and the invoice now shows the smaller balance the customer still owes, partly paid. ZetaFisc tracks that outstanding amount until it is fully settled. That is the complete sales invoice cycle: bill the customer, receive payments, and always know what is owed.